Let's talk about clove oil. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways you can use clove oil to grow your hair super fast. And how often should you use clove oil before you see results? Well, you'll find that at the end of the video. So keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to learn how to make simple, effective clove oil in the comfort of your home, please check out the description box. The full video is linked there. It will guide you to how you're going to make your own clove oil. So the first way you can use clove oil in order to promote hair growth is to massage your scalp with it. Before heading to bed, I love to massage my scalp with hair growth oils, and one of them is clove. So you're going to apply clove oil all over your scalp. Use your fingers to massage them very well. If you have a scalp massage brush, please make use of it. You're going to massage your scalp 3 to 5 minutes. And the reason why I love to do this in the evening before heading to bed is because that's when our body is resting, which means our body is less active. You can equally do this in the morning when you wake up, but when you do it in the evening, you will get the best results. If you have highly sensitive scalp, you can use this oil once or twice in a week, but if not, you can use it 4 times in a week to make your hair shaft healthy and encourage good hair growth. For those of you that are allergic to clove oil, I believe after watching this video, you choose the best method that suits your scalp and hair in order to get the best result out of clove oil. Here are more reasons why you should use clove oil. Clove oil helps to combat dry and split ends. It also actively strengthens your existing hair and adds volume over time when used consistently. I'm stressing on the word consistently, which means you have to use it more often if you want to see positive results. You can't just use it once or twice and be like, oh, it's not working, it's not working. It is working. You have to be consistent, okay? This oil also helps your scalp improve, and in doing so, it helps the growth increase in a way that is healthy and boosts long-term benefits. Before heading to bed, make sure to tuck the ends of your hair inside in order to avoid dryness, and make sure to wear hair bonnet too. Here's the second method of using clove oil for hair growth. You'll be using it as a sealant, which means to seal in moisture. So after sprinkling water or any Ayurvedic herb on your scalp and hair, making sure to massage it very well, and to get the ends of your hair, you are going to use your moisturizer. Any best moisturizer you find out there, make use of it. As long as it's moisturizing enough, you are good to go. So in your moisturizer, watch out for ingredients such as water, aloe vera, honey, glycerin, emulsifying wax. Make sure to apply the moisturizer all over your hair, especially the ends. I'm emphasizing more on the ends of your hair because those are the parts that breaks more. When you're done applying the moisturizer, the next step is to use your clove oil. So you're going to apply this oil on your palm, then rub it on your hair to seal in the moisture, okay? So the essence of using oil or clove oil to seal in the moisture is because we don't want the water or the Ayurvedic herb that was sprayed on the hair previously and the leave-in conditioner to escape, especially if you have high porosity type of hair. So you have to use oil to seal in the moisture. Whether you have high porosity or low porosity, medium porosity, make use of oils when it comes to sealing in your moisture. It helps to retain the length of your hair, which means prevent hair breakage, promote hair growth, and also prevent split ends, okay? So make use of clove oil when it comes to sealing in moisture. The third way you can actually use clove oil to grow and strengthen your hair is as a pre-poo. I have created an in-depth video of how you can do that. The full video will be in the description box, or you can watch this video to get the full insight of how to use clove oil as a pre-poo in order to strengthen your hair, promote hair growth, and also to give you a healthy shaft. First of all, you need to work on hydrated hair, which means you have to sprinkle water on your dry hair. Working on dry hair is not a good idea, okay? So sprinkle a little water on your hair, or you can use aloe vera or any Ayurvedic herb. Then you go on to use your clove oil all over your scalp and hair. Make sure to apply the clove oil on your scalp and massage it very well so that it can lift up all the dirt that are on your scalp or any product that is on your scalp, because oils actually help to lift up dirt from the scalp. Apart from pre-poo, you can equally use it as a hot oil treatment. So you're going to put the bottle of clove oil inside a bowl of hot water, allow it to stay there for some minutes, then apply it all over your scalp and hair. Guys, you don't know the good thing you have done for your hair. Your hair will love you so much. And if your hair can literally talk, it to say, Thank you. After applying the clove oil all over your scalp and hair, go on and use a wide tooth comb and detangle your hair. Then you twist it and repeat the same process all over your hair. Let me take this moment to introduce myself. If you are new here, hi, my name is Brenda Okolocha. I'm a Nigerian-based YouTuber, and over here we do everything natural hair and lifestyle vlogs. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any future upload. Share this video to your loved ones. There are tons of people that want to see this kind of video. Let me know what you all think in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up by clicking the like button. It really helps my channel a lot. So making sure the clove oil is well coated all over my scalp and hair, the next step is to pack it together. Then use a nylon or a shower cap to cover it for some minutes. If you have steaming cap, you can make use of your steaming cap, but over here I didn't use my steaming cap. I only used a nylon and used a shower cap to trap in the moisture so that the clove oil or the pre-poo will nourish my scalp and hair very well. After 10 to 20 minutes, I rinsed it off with warm water, and guys, my hair is nourished and ready for shampoo. I really hope this video found you all well. Please do well to subscribe, like, and see you in my next upload. Stay blessed.